Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 10th November to 14th November 2025. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So here we can see 0.15% positive move, 1.15636 was the closing on Friday. Now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. Let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a bullish candle in this week and a small body with a big lower wick and a small upper wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is at oversold area on weekly chart. Yes, stochastic RSI is indicating as a positive move, but remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. In this one-day chart, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, first of all, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload for such weekly analysis. So the levels are currently, if you talk about the levels are already marked. We don't need to mark any new levels because there are no different data that we have seen yet. So we'll talk about the closing first. So here we can see 1.15636 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.15500. Here direct resistance is 1.16000. After direct support, there is a support of 1.15079 and then 1.14583. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.6457 and then 1.16921. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels. Currently, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I already shared a 20% discount coupon as well, so that you get a 20% discount on any challenge that you buy from Blueberry Funded or the prop firm number 1. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a positive momentum or positive closing for this week. I'm expecting a positive closing in this end, that is 1.16000 to 1.6457. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section, and if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.